straight jab at you. Man, I love this dude. He always opens any packages that come his way. This dude kicks ass, dude. I like this guy. What's up, man?
Thank you, man. I always appreciate it.
How you doing, dude? Which one of you are? You are the one over in the corner?
Over here on the outside.
Oh, you're over here by the door.
No, right here, right above your head.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, right on. Yeah, man, you got your package.
Oh, is that it?
Yeah, that's just it for today, my dude. You got anything coming in the next week?
No, I don't think so.
Aw, so what? We're not going to talk to each other anymore?
Hey, next time I see you in person when I head up there, I'm gonna buy you a bottle of bourbon or something because I always appreciate your help.
Oh, dude, don't worry about it. It's all part of the job, man. I'll tell you what. I'll tell you what. You just keep opening and closing this garage so I know your packages aren't getting stolen or anything like that, and we'll call it good.
Yeah, sounds good, brother. Appreciate it, man. You have a good day.
Man, you have yourself a good day, brother.